In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your subscription with Go High Level. Canceling a subscription might sound a bit daunting, especially when you want to avoid any unwanted charges or complications, but I'm here to guide you through each step of the process with ease. First, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other browser you habitually use. In the address bar at the top of your screen, type Go High Level. Now, once you hit Enter, you should look for the website link in your search results. It's easiest to spot by simply finding w.gohighlevel.com. Go ahead and click on that link, and it will take you directly to the homepage of the Go High Level platform. Next, you'll need to log in to your account. So enter your username and password in the provided fields. If you've forgotten your password, there should be an option to reset it there too, so no worries. Once logged in, you're going to find yourself on the dashboard, which should look familiar if you've been using the platform for a while. Now, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your dashboard. What you're looking for is something labeled Settings. It's important to note that these settings give you control over your account, and naturally, it's where you can manage your subscription details. Within the Settings menu, your next step is to click on the Billing section. This is where your payment settings and subscription details are handled. You should see a button or link that says, "Want to modify or cancel your subscription?" Go ahead and click that. A pop-up window is going to appear now. This is where things get serious, as it deals with the cancellation specifics. Here, you need to look for an option labeled Show More. Clicking this will reveal further details, including the very option we're aiming for. Cancel Plan. Below this, Go High Level will ask you to select a reason for canceling. Simply choose the one that best fits your situation, then click Next. Another window will come up, providing a warning about potential data loss. It's crucial to read this message carefully, as it ensures you're aware of what canceling might entail. If you're still sure about your decision, click on I am sure I want to cancel. To finalize everything, you'll be prompted to enter your password again for security reasons. This final step verifies your identity and confirms the cancellation of your subscription. Once you've entered your password, you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your subscription with Go High Level. Remember to check your email for any confirmation messages or follow-up steps. Hopefully, this helps you navigate the process smoothly. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.